Hello everyone, in this video I will be covering problems from limits and continuity, application of derivatives and differentiation, and these are from Telangana State Engineering Entrance Exam September 10, 2020, shift 1. So this is the first problem on this topic. Log of 1 plus x is given to me. We know that this is the standard expansion for log of 1 plus x, and then k is given, which is limit something something, and 12k is asked. So k is given to me as limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x raised to the power 1 plus x by x square minus 1 by x. So I will take LCM, limit x tends to 0 x squared, and since this is log of m raised to the power n, this is equals to n times log of m, and this will be x. Log of 1 plus x is given, so x log 1 plus x will be what? This will be x square, and this will be minus x cubed by 2 plus x4 by 3. So when you add these two, what will you get? 1 plus x log x, right? You will get 1 plus x log x if you add both of these. So this will be what? X plus x square by 2. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 6. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 is 4 by 12 minus 3 by 12 is 1 by 12. So this plus dot 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 dot. So 1 plus x into log of 1 plus x will be this. I'll put that value over here. And what will I get? X plus x square by 2 minus x cube by 6 plus x4 by 12. The higher powers I'm neglecting because x tends to 0, they will all become 0. You will understand why in a second. X square in the denominator, just divide by x square. So when x tends to 0, this x cube term is becoming 0, x4 term is becoming 0, so x5, x6, all of them will become 0, hence not required. So k is half, so 12k will be what? 12 into half, which is equals to 6. Option C. Next problem, fx is given and this is continuous on this, so f of 1 should be equal to f of 1 minus, which is when you approach a function f1 from left, and 1 plus when you approach it from the right. So k, which is equals to f1, should just be equal to limit x tends to 1 for this, right? Very easy. And when you put a 1 over here, this will be 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 5 is 0, and square root of 1 minus 1 is 0, so 0 by 0 form. I can just take a derivative of numerator and denominator. Derivative of this will be what? 9x minus 1 first, so 9 into root x minus 1 plus 9x minus 1 into square root of 1 root x is 1 by 2 root x. This will be 6x plus 2. So when I put 1 here, this will go to 0. This will be 8 divided by 2, which is 4, and this will be 8, so this is half. Okay, now this problem, gx is not equal to 0, g dash x is not equal to 0, f is not 0, f dash x is not equal to 0, and bunch of other relations are given. And h and k, the sum of these two is you have to find out in terms of f and g, small f and small g, not capital F, capital G. You have to take care of that. So capital Fx, I'm going to ignore x because there's a lot of x's here, right? This is fx is equals to, capital F is small f small g, capital G is equals to small f dash g dash, and capital F dash is equals to g h is equals to f k. H plus k are asked in terms of f and g, small f and small g. H from here you can see f dash by g, and k you can see it is f dash by f. Now f is given fg, so f dash, capital F dash is f into g dash plus g into f dash. Very easy. F g dash plus g f dash. G is given as f dash g dash. F dash, again I will use the same relation, g f dash, and f is also given f fg. So just split the terms, get f g dash by f dash g dash plus g f dash by f dash g dash plus f g dash by f g plus g f dash by f g. G dash cancelled, f dash cancelled, f cancelled, g cancelled, f by f dash plus g by g dash plus g dash by g plus f dash by f. Option D. So no more than 30 seconds required to solve this problem. Now y is equals to x sine inverse of x divided by root 1 minus x square plus log of root 1 minus x square. In this problem we will be using these formula. duv is equals to u dv plus v du. d of u by v is equals to v square v du minus u dv. Okay. Okay, so let's just find out dy by dx. Very simple and straightforward problem, except that it consumes some time and people make mistakes. Very easy problem, but people are not able to solve because they make mistakes. So don't make mistakes. Very easy. 1 minus x square. Square root will be gone, just like from here, v square. Root 1 minus x square. Derivative of x sine inverse of x minus x sine inverse of x. Derivative of root 1 minus x square. Derivative of log of x is 1 by x. And derivative of course, square root of 1 minus x square will still be there. Do not skip this. You will make a mistake. And your problem will be ruined. So now it's derivative of product. So x into derivative of sine inverse of x is what? 1 by 1 minus x square plus sine inverse of x. And derivative of x is what? 1. So done. This again, bring the power down, decrease the power by 1. So this, and derivative of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. This whole thing divided by 1 minus x square. Plus this thing is also there, don't forget about that. So square root and square root will get cancelled. 1 minus x square, 2 also there, and derivative is minus 2x. 2 and 2 are cancelled again. So open the brackets. This will be cancelled and you will be left with x sine inverse of x into root 1 minus x square. Or here minus and minus, so plus this. X and x is x square. So sine inverse of x square by root sine inverse of x into x square by root 1 minus x square. Whole thing divided by 1 minus x square minus x by 1 minus x square. Take an LCM again. X into root 1 minus x square. Square root of 1 minus x square multiplied by 1 minus x square will be just 1 minus x square plus x square sine inverse of x minus x by 1 minus x square. When you divide this with this, square root of 1 minus x square, okay, and don't forget that this whole thing was divided by 1 minus x square. So 1 by 1 minus x square into x into root 1 minus x square by root 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 minus x square into this. When you open the bracket, what will you get? Sine inverse of x minus x square sine inverse of x plus x square sine inverse of x divided by root 1 minus x square minus x by 1 minus x square. I know, because there are so many calculations in this problem, that is why people make mistakes. Cannot help it. This will be cancelled. So this is x by 1 minus x square plus sine inverse of x by 1 minus x square raised to the power 3 by 2. 1 plus half is 3 by 2. Now this is cancelled. You are just left with sine inverse of x 1 minus x square 3 by 2. So this option. Next question. Let f and g be twice differentiable such that fx is given to me x square plus g dash 1 into x plus g double dash 2. Now please remember, g dash 1 and g double dash 2 are constants. So if I take a derivative f dash x, it should be 2x plus g dash 1. Derivative of x is 1 and this will be 0. When I take the double derivative, this will also be gone. It will be 2. F dash x is 2 and f dash x is this. Now gx is also given to me. Gx is f1 into x square plus x f dash x plus f double dash x. I will put the value of f dash x, f double dash x and f1 here. Fx is equals to this. So f1 will be what? Just replace x by 1. 1 square plus g dash 1 into 1 plus g double dash 2. 1 square is 1. So 1 plus g dash 1 plus g double dash 2. This is f1. I will put this value over here. 1 plus g dash 1 plus g double dash 2 into x square. What is f dash x? 2x plus g dash 1 multiplied by x. What is f double dash x? Is 2. So you will get 2x square from here. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. So 3 plus g dash 1 plus g double dash 2x square plus g dash 1 into x plus 2. This will be gx. Now remember, g dash 1, 2, g double dash 2, g dash 1, 3, all of these are constants. So when I take g dash x, this will stay just like that. Except derivative of x square will be 2x, so 2 here. Derivative of x is 1, so g dash 1, and this will be 0. And g double dash x will be what? This will be 0 and x derivative is 1, so just this. Now put x is equals to 2 in above equation. What will you get? What will you get? G double dash 2 is equals to 2 into 3 plus 2 g dash 1 plus 2 g double dash 2. This employs what? G double dash 2 is equals to minus 2 g dash 1 minus 6. Right? And from this equation, if you put x equals to 1 in that one, you will get g dash 1 is equals to 2 into 3 plus g dash 1 plus g double dash 2. This x is 1, so gone, plus g dash 1. This is cancelled. So 3 plus g dash 1 plus g double dash 2 is equals to 0. Now g double dash 2 is this. I will put this value over here. 3 plus g dash 1 minus 2 g dash 1 minus 6 is equals to 0. So minus g dash 1 minus 3 is equals to 0, or g dash 1 is equals to minus 3, right? Minus into minus plus, so 3 minus 3 is 0. So g dash 1 is minus 3. What is g double dash 2? Minus 2 g dash 1 minus 6. So minus 2 into minus 3 minus 6 is 6 minus 6 is 0. So g double dash 2 is 0. We have g dash 1, we have g double dash 2. Now, so we have gx. Gx is this. G dash 1 is minus 3 and g double dash 2 is 0. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So gx is equals to, and this is minus 3, minus 3x plus 2. This is gx, minus 3x plus 2. And what is fx? This is minus 3 and this is 0. So x square minus 3x. X square minus 3x is fx, and minus 3x plus 2 is gx. So what is fx minus gx? Minus 3x plus 2. Gx is minus 3x plus 2. Sorry, plus 3x. X square minus 2. It's raining very hard outside here in Mumbai. Problem number 6. If the area of a circle increases at the rate of 1 by root pi square units per second, then the rate in units per second at which the perimeter of the circle changes when perimeter is this is blah blah blah. So we know that area is pi r square and perimeter is what? 2 pi r. Everybody knows this formula. So we have been given dA by dt is equals to 1 by root pi. If A is pi r square, then dA by dt will be 2 pi r into dr by dt is 1 by root pi. 2 pi r is what? Perimeter. So P into dr by dt is given to me is 1 by root pi. He is asking the rate at which the perimeter of the circle changes. So dp by dt is being asked. P is 2 pi r. This implies that dp by dt is 2 pi into dr by dt. dr by dt is given. dr by dt is given 1 by root pi into 1 by 2 pi r. 1 by 2 pi r into 1 by root pi. Okay. And it is also given the perimeter is root pi at that point of time. So perimeter is root pi at that point of time. So this means 1 by 2 pi r is what? 1 by root pi. Right? If 2 pi r is root pi, then 1 by 2 pi r is 1 by root pi. We have been given that dA by dt is 1 by root pi. Find out dp by dt when p is equals to root pi. So I have done it. 1 by 2 pi r is 1 by root pi. So dp by dt is 2 pi. What is 1 by 2 pi r? 1 by root pi into 1 by root pi. Root pi times root pi is pi. So cancel, which is 2. This option. Next problem. Let a be a fixed point, a fixed positive real number, and n be an arbitrary constant for the curve y is x raised to the power n by a raised to the power n minus 1. If the length of the subnormal at any point alpha beta is proportional to alpha square, then n is what? Okay. Okay. First we need to know what is subnormal. If this is my curve, okay, let us draw another curve. This is very badly drawn. Like this. If I draw a tangent at this point, This is my curve C. This is my tangent at this point P alpha beta. If I draw this perpendicular, and this is the normal at this point, this is point A and this is point B, I think then AN is subtangent and BN is equals to length of the subnormal, if I am not mistaken. So on any curve y is equals to x raised to the power n by a raised to the power n minus 1, what is dy by dx, and x raised to the power n minus 1 by a raised to the power n minus 1. So at the point P alpha beta, slope of tangent is m is equals to n into alpha raised to the power n minus 1 by a raised to the power n minus 1. So slope of normal minus 1 by m, which is equals to minus 1 by n into alpha raised to the power n minus 1, and this a raised to the power n minus 1 will go into the numerator. So equation of BP should be what? Y minus beta by x minus alpha is equals to this. Now what will be point B? At point B, x is 0, so put x equals to 0. Sorry, y will be 0, put y is equals to 0. This point lies on x-axis, B lies on x-axis, so it has to be something like this, comma 0. So y has to be put to 0, and what will be x at that point? X minus alpha is equals to n alpha raised to the power n minus 1 by a raised to the power n minus 1 into beta. Now alpha beta lie on this curve, which is y is equals to x raised to the power n by a raised to the power n minus 1. So put beta in place of y and alpha in place of x, right? So what is x? X minus alpha is equals to n into alpha n minus 1 a n minus 1. Beta is beta is alpha n by a n minus 1. So x equals to alpha plus n into alpha, n plus n is what? 2n minus 1 by a raised to the power 2n minus 1. So this point is alpha plus n into alpha raised to the power 2n minus 1 by a raised to the power 2n minus 1 comma 0, and this point will be perpendicular. This is perpendicular, so this will be x comma 0. So length subnormal will be bn. Bn is equals to, just alpha will be removed, right? So bn is simply this part. Now bn is given proportional to alpha square. This whole thing is given proportional to alpha square. This is a constant, alpha square. So this power should be equal to 2. 2n minus 1 is equals to 2. This means 2n is equals to 3, or n is equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay, next problem. We have been given a function is given and an interval are given. we have been asked on which the Lagrange's mean value theorem is not valid. Let us look at mod of x. We know that graph of mod of x is like this. This is origin, x-axis, y-axis, this is mod of x. The only point of on the curve where the curve is not differentiable is x equals to 0. But in 1 comma 5, x equals to 0 is not there, so theorem is valid on this first point. Now log of x, if y is equals to log x, that means x equals to y square, so it is something like what do you say, if x is, say, this base is 10, if x is 10, y is 1, if x is 100, y is 2. So it is something like this. If x goes to 0, this goes to minus infinity, right? And at 1, x equals to 1, y will be 0. So this is the curve. It is differentiable at all the places, right? Except at x equals to 0, so which is not there. So this is also done. X equals to not y square, x equals to 10 raised to the power y. So if y is 1, x is 10, y is 2, x is 100. So this is the curve. Next up is 2x minus 1 by 3x minus 4. We can see that if x equals to 4 by 3, this becomes 0, this becomes 8 by 3 minus 1, so 5 by 3. So something divided by 0, which is not defined, and 4 by 3 is 1.33, which lies between 1 to 2, so it's not defined on this. So option C is the correct answer. Problem 9. Let px be a polynomial of degree 3 having extreme value at x equals to 1, then this limit is given, then dp by dx at x. Okay, I would say this problem was very good. This problem was very good. So if this is a polynomial of degree 3, then I can just assume it as something like this, right? Now limit x tends to 0, px plus 4 by x square plus 2 is equals to 6. So this has no relation with the limit x equals to 0, x tends to 0. So this will just go over here. Px plus 4 by x square is equals to 4. Since at 0, x equals to 0, this becomes 0. For this limit to be defined, this has to be 0 as well, right? This has to be 0 as well. So px plus 4 is equals to 0 if x equals to 0. If I put x equals to 0 in this thing, p0 is equals to d, right? If I put x equals to 0, then px plus 4 should be equal to 0, or p0 plus 4 should be 0, or d plus 4 should be 0, or d is equals to minus 4. So this should be limit x tends to 0, ax cube plus bx square plus ex plus d plus 4. So d is minus 4, so this is gone, by x square is equal to 4. Now we take derivatives on both the numerator and denominator. 3ax square plus 2bx plus c by 2x is equals to 4. Again, when I put x equals to 0, this becomes 0, so this has to be 0 as well. This will be 0, this will be 0, so c has to be 0. So limit x tends to 0, 3ax square plus 2bx by 2x is equals to 4. So x and x are cancelled. Limit x tends to 0. 3ax plus 2b by 2 is equals to 4. Only this is 0 and this is non-zero, so we can just simply put the value. So 2b by 2 is equals to 4. This means b is equals to 4. So px is ax cube plus 4x square, cx was 0 plus d is minus 4. Now it is also given that px has an extreme value at x equals to 1. So px either has maxima or minima at x equal to 1. So p dash 1 is equals to 0. So 3ax square plus 8x, this is my p dash x. This is 0 for x equal to 1. So p dash 1 is equals to 3a square plus 8. Why am I putting 3a square? This is 3a x square. So p dash 1 will be 3a into 1 square plus 8 into 1, which is 3a plus 8. This is 0. That is 3a plus 8 is 0, or a is equals to minus 8 by 3. Hence my px is equals to minus 8 by 3 x cube plus 4 x square minus 4. Now we are being asked the value of dp by dx at x equals to half. What is dp by dx is equals to minus 8x square plus 8x. So this value at x equal to half is this value at x equal to half, or minus 8 into half square plus 8 into half, which is equals to minus 8 into 1 by 4 plus 8 by 2. So minus 2 plus 4, which is equals to 2. So this one. So this one was the last problem. From rest of the calculus, there were problems from integration and differential equation, which I will cover in the next video. So if I have made any mistake in this video solving the problems, please kindly let me know. I will correct myself. So thank you everyone for watching my video. I will be covering the rest of the problems from calculus in the next video. Thank you.